So hello traders, this is Umar with you and I hope you all had a good and nice weekend. So volatility is still there. So whole day long Nifty and Bank Nifty was highly swinging. It was moving in a range of 150 points, but it never went anywhere, right? So it's been this is the case for last 4 or 5 trading session. But the good news is it has turned green today. So it has ended up green or it has ended up flat today. So we will see how things are going to span out tomorrow, because LIC IPO is going to come out tomorrow. Whether the market is going to break 15,700 on the downside, which is acting as a perfect support, or whether the market is going to go to 16,000 or above. We really don't know. Both 15,700 and 16,000 is acting as a support and resistance, which means 16,000 is acting as a good resistance and 15,700 is acting as a good support. Now if you see this, there are significant put writing at 15,800, 15,700 till 15,400 also. But at the same time, even though there was no call writing in on the upper side, which is 16,000 or maybe 16,100, but 16,000 still acts as a super resistance. So if you see this chart, 16,000 is going to act as a super resistance. That is because of people believe, and if you can remember or if you have seen some thing, I think one famous, I don't know, like famous FIA, I couldn't remember his name. So he is, or I think even in our last video, one subscriber put in our comment section that FIAs are ready to, are taking out the money from Indian markets and going into US markets, because Indian markets valuations are really high and Chinese valuation stocks are really cheap, and they would buy only when the market hits 14,000. In fact, 14,000 to 15,000. So that's what I have seen a report, and that's what FIAs are doing. And as I talk to you, FIAs have I haven't got the FIA data. So till now we haven't got the FIA data. If we get FIA data, I'm sure they would have sold like what they do, and I think they are going to sell till market hits 14,000 or 15,500. Now tomorrow is a very important day for our Indian markets. LIC is going to be listed out tomorrow, and if you know, it's been a very like people are speculating about LIC, and DII wants to, you know, government of India wants the market to be stabilized. They want to like make this LIC IPO a super hit. But what I can see is LIC is trading in negative in gray market. Like, it's not a legitimate, but gray market, it is trading in negative 15 or 10 rupees. So we really don't know how LIC is going to be listed tomorrow, at what price it is going to be listed tomorrow, maybe 900 rupees or 950 rupees or 1000 rupees. So this LIC thing is going to decide the market movement tomorrow. So tomorrow is a very important day, and that's why you can see India VIX also spiked up around 4 or 4.5% today. It's almost 23. Maybe tomorrow India VIX will drop, and I hopefully, at least I think what is going to happen is tomorrow, at least for tomorrow, market may not break 15,700, which is a super support, as I told you. So if you see this chart, it's been almost 3 or 4 trading sessions. So if you see here, last 2 or 3 trading session, it's been bears are trying to break 15,700, but they are not able to. Bulls are just holding at least till this LIC IPO is listed. Maybe we can see market above 15,700. And if you see, US markets are all in the green after sell-off, heavy sell-off in S&P. Sell-off was so bad that they took the S&P 500 to a bearish territory. So we will wait and see how things are going to span out. You let me know what is going to happen tomorrow, since it is a very important day. Let me know on the comment section below whether this LIC will be able to help our market, help the market from bears, or help the market from Nifty. Will it hold the Nifty to above 15,700? So what I personally think is that market may sustain above 15,700 tomorrow. So that's what I think. And US markets are also really flat. It's trading really flat, and even European markets opened flat. Asian markets also traded mixed. It traded mixed. So probably we should gap up tomorrow if nothing is going wrong, and India VIX also coming down slightly. Now this is not the whole picture. Now I'm not going to say we are going to reverse and we are going to go to maybe 18,000 or 18,500. Now, since we have been sold heavily, and what many analysts or technical analysts, if you ask some technical analysts, what they are saying is that every indicator is showing a oversold region. It's in a oversold territory. So there are possibilities that market may sustain and go above for a little time. Maybe it will go to how much, maybe 17,500 or 17,700, then it may retrace back. So that is that is what I also think. So it's my personal opinion. I'm not saying markets may go to 18,600 or 18,700. And if you see in Bank Nifty actually is performing better than Nifty. Thanks to HDFC. HDFC was performing today. All the HDFC stocks were performing today. And maybe when it comes to Nifty, maybe 33,000 is going to act as a super support. So that is evident in this charts also. So if you see this chart, there is a heavy put writing at 33,000. So that's what I saw. Yeah, there is a good call rating at 33,000 around here. This one 33. This green bar is having a higher concentration of put open interest, and 34,000, 34,500, 35,000, and so on so forth. So let us wait and see tomorrow. I don't think we are having any issues when it comes to globally everything is, even though in the long run it is negative, interest rate hike, fear of inflation, then geopolitical situations like Russia, Ukraine, and many other issues are there. But still, it's like US markets have been very hit hard. It's been very it's down by Dow Jones is down by more than 17 or 18%. Nasdaq is down by more than 23% in the last 6 months or 7 months. So it's a oversold territory, and people think markets may rebound. No, I'm not saying markets may reverse and continue the bull run. Till we are in the bearish territory only, till we don't know what is going to happen. But in the short run, I think there is going to be a reversal for a small high. So that's what I think. Let's hope for the best. I also have some put options written, call options also written. As I told you, we are non-directional traders. So if thing works out, even if the market opens flat today, we will benefit good. Not only us, even our members will also benefit. So let's hope for the best. Fingers crossed. So let us see how, if LIC is going to save us or it is going to ruin us. We'll have to wait and see, and let's hope for the best. As I told you, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.